Process mapping is a visual tool used to break down a process step by step, helping teams see exactly how things are working and where things might be going wrong. It creates a clear shared picture of how a task is done from start to finish, showing who is involved and where, when key decisions are taken, and actions along the way. It helps identify gaps, duplications, delays, and bottlenecks that might not be obvious day to day. So how does it work? To create a process map, you start by choosing the process you want to explore, like how patients are admitted to a ward or how test results are reviewed. Next, gather the people who are involved in the process because they know how it works in real life, not just on paper. Together, you walk through each step of the process in order. Ask questions like, what happened first? Who's involved? Where does information go? Are there any delays or decision points? Once you have all your steps in a process, have clarified any queries and highlighted any concerns, you will use a set of symbols to draw the process map. Process maps use a simple set of standard symbols to represent different types of steps so that anyone can pick up and read the process. Let's go through some of the most commonly used symbols. Ovals. These represent the start and end points of a process. Rectangles. These show a step, activity, or task. These are the actions being taken. Diamonds. These indicate decisions where the process leads to different paths. Arrows. These show the direction of flow, connecting each part of the process. The result? A clear visual map that shows how the process really works and where it can be improved. For example, a hospital was experiencing delays in getting patients to theatre for emergency surgery. Staff assumed the problem was lack of theatre availability. But when the process mapped the journey from emergency department to surgery, they found multiple handover delays, duplicated paperwork, and confusion over who was responsible for confirming theatre slots. With the full process visualised, the team made changes like creating a streamlined checklist, assigning a clear lead coordinator, and digitising consent forms. Here are some quick tips to get the most out of process mapping. Involve the people doing the work. Don't map based on assumptions. Keep it high level first. Start with the main steps before diving into too much detail. Use sticky notes or digital tools. This makes it easy to move steps around as you learn more. Look for delays, confusion, and repetition. These are often where your biggest improvement opportunities lie. Ask what should happen versus what actually happens. In summary, process mapping is a powerful way to understand how things really work and how they could work better.
Be sure to check out our other bite-sized videos where we deep dive into various tools and techniques within each stage that will help you lead successful improvement projects.